Hello, today we're looking at reactions of metal with acids, and I just wanted you to think about what you think will happen if you had put metal in an acid. If I then give you a test tube full of acid and then I give you a piece of metal to go in it, what kind of things can you observe in the acid regardless of what type of acid it is? Now, some of you must see bubbles being produced, and if there are bubbles being produced, that means you should hopefully see some gas being given off. Equally, you must say the metal dissolves and gets smaller in size because it's fully soluble and it's a highly reactive metal. The other one can be it makes a metal salt because it's been dissolved in the acid, and we will look at metal salts in a minute. So there is a standard equation which is acid plus metal makes salt plus hydrogen, which you need to remember at KS3 and 4, which comes up at GCSE. And how do you know is hydrogen gas being produced? You will have to get a burn or lit splint in the test tube that has hydrogen, and it will make a squeaky pop noise. We're going to look at naming the salts. So if I react magnesium with hydrochloric acid, I make magnesium chloride plus hydrogen. Now notice that is IDE ending, which means it's a compound. It's a salt that's been made. So this is how we name them. So the first part is the name of the metal. The second part depends on the type of acid you use. So, as the previous example of magnesium chloride, let's have a look if you used to write them in your book or in your paper. If I have a hydrochloric acid, I make metal chloride, ending in IDE. Sulfuric acid makes metal sulfate. Nitric acid makes metal nitrate. So, on the next slide, let's see some examples you can put in practice. So, the first one is magnesium plus sulfuric acid. So I should be making something sulfate plus hydrogen, and the answer is magnesium because that is the metal I'm reacting my sulfuric acid with. Next one, calcium plus nitric acid. We make calcium nitrate because I'm using nitric acid. Lead plus hydrochloric acid. So remember chloric, so it'll be lead chloride. And remember from this part here, we're going to be making hydrogen. Now, this time I've given you the products, but not the reactants. These are called your products, and we've got to work backwards to find out what our reactants, what our starting materials are. So, if I break it down, I've got aluminium and nitrate. That means my metal must be aluminium. But because I've got nitrate, that indicates I must have nitric acid. I hope you enjoyed the quick video on metal and acids. Please don't forget to subscribe to Pure Science Education and like and put any feedback. Thank you.